Friends, welcome once again. In last video lecture, we have discussed relationship between Cartesian cylindrical system as well as Cartesian spherical system. Now in this session, we can derive a relationship between cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. That is transformation between rho phi z and r theta phi. For this, we again consider a figure in which point P is expressed in cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. Point P in cylindrical coordinate system with coordinates rho phi z can be expressed mathematically using right angle triangle OCP. And these are rho equals to r sin theta, phi equals to phi, since this angle is common in cylindrical and spherical coordinate system, and z equals to r cos theta. Similarly, spherical coordinates are expressed mathematically as r equals to under root rho square plus z square, which is called radius of the sphere, and theta equals to tan inverse of rho by z, and here again phi equals to phi. Next, we can also derive relationship between unit vectors corresponding to cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. Unit vectors of cylindrical system are unit vector rho, unit vector phi, and unit vector z, while that of spherical coordinate system, unit vectors are ar, a theta, and a phi. Now for this relationship, we first consider differential length in spherical coordinate system, that is r theta phi, and it is represented by dl vector equals to dr unit vector r plus r d theta unit vector theta plus r sin theta d phi unit vector phi. And our purpose is to find individual unit vectors in terms of dl vector and by taking other coordinate as a constant. So to find unit vector r, we consider theta and phi as a constant, which results d theta equals to d phi equals to 0. So dl vector becomes dr unit vector r, and also unit vector r equals to dl vector upon dr. Next, to find unit vector theta, here we take r and phi as a constant with dr equals to d phi equals to 0, and after putting dr and d phi equals to 0 in dl vector, we get r d theta unit vector theta. So unit vector theta equals to dl vector upon r d theta. Similarly, for unit vector phi, we take r and theta constant and we can put dr and d theta 0 in dl vector, and this results r sin theta d phi unit vector phi. So unit vector phi equals to dl vector upon r sin theta d phi. Now these unit vectors of spherical coordinate system can give a relationship with respect to unit vectors of cylindrical coordinate system. For this, we consider differential length of cylindrical coordinate system, that is dl vector equals to d rho unit vector rho plus rho d phi unit vector phi plus dz unit vector z. So first we take unit vector r equals to dl vector upon dr. This is obtained after taking theta and phi as a constant, or d theta and d phi equals to 0. Now putting dl vector of cylindrical coordinate system, unit vector r becomes d rho upon dr unit vector rho plus rho d phi upon dr unit vector phi plus dz upon dr unit vector z. Now to find magnitude terms, that is d rho upon dr, rho d phi upon dr and dz upon dr, we use a relationship between spherical and cylindrical coordinate system, that is rho equals to r sin theta, phi equals to phi, and z equals to r cos theta. So first take differentiation of rho equals to r sin theta, we get d rho equals to dr sin theta, here theta is taken as a constant, and we get d rho upon dr equals to sin theta. Secondly, d phi equals to d phi, and it is equals to 0 as the differentiation of constant is equals to 0. And this gives us rho d phi upon dr equals to 0. Similarly, dz equals to dr cos theta and dz upon dr equals to cos theta. After putting these values in above unit vector r, we get unit vector r equals to sin theta unit vector rho plus cos theta unit vector z. This process is again used to find unit vector theta and unit vector phi. So first, to find unit vector theta, which is equals to dl vector upon r d theta, taking r and phi as a constant, and after putting dl vector of cylindrical coordinate system, we get unit vector theta equals to d rho upon r d theta unit vector rho plus rho d phi upon r d theta unit vector phi plus dz upon r d theta unit vector z. After this, we have to find d rho upon rd theta, rho d phi upon rd theta, and dz upon rd theta. Using a relationship rho equals to r sin theta, phi equals to phi, and z equals to r cos theta, by considering r and phi as a constant. So d rho equals to r cos theta d phi equals to d phi, that is 0, and dz equals to minus r sin theta d phi. Now after rearrangement we get d rho upon rd theta equals to cos theta, rho d phi upon rd theta equals to 0, and dz upon rd theta equals to minus sin theta. And after putting these values we get unit vector theta equals to cos theta, unit vector rho minus sin theta, unit vector z. And at last we have to find unit vector phi equals to dl vector upon r sin theta d phi. Here we take r and theta as a constant, or dr and d theta equals to 0. So put dl vector of cylindrical coordinate system, unit vector phi becomes d rho upon r sin theta d phi, unit vector rho, plus rho d phi upon r sin theta d phi, unit vector phi, plus dz upon r sin theta d phi, unit vector z. Here in the second magnitude term we can put rho equals to r sin theta, so it becomes unity. After that, using a relationship rho equals to r sin theta and taking a differentiation, it gives 0, because here r and theta are the constant. So we can write first magnitude term as 0. Now as angle phi is common to both cylindrical and spherical coordinate system, that is phi equals to phi, or d phi equals to d phi, or we can write d phi upon d phi equals to 1. And in last z equals to r cos theta. So again dz equals to 0, since r and theta are the constant. And after putting these values, unit vector phi becomes unit vector phi only. Now combine all the three unit vectors of spherical coordinate system in terms of cylindrical coordinate system. That is unit vector r equals to sin theta, unit vector rho plus cos theta, unit vector z. Unit vector theta equals to cos theta, unit vector rho minus sin theta, unit vector z, and unit vector phi equals to unit vector phi. This relationship of unit vectors can be represented in a matrix form also. So in the left side we can write unit vectors in a column matrix AR, A theta, A phi, and at the right side there is a multiplication of 3 by 3 square matrix with the column matrix of unit vector rho, unit vector phi, and unit vector z. Here inside the 3 by 3 square matrix, first row having a component corresponding to magnitude term of unit vector r, and these are sin theta, 0, cos theta with respect to unit vector rho, unit vector phi, and unit vector z respectively. Similarly, second row of unit vector theta have components cos theta, 0, minus sin theta with respect to unit vector rho, unit vector phi, and unit vector z respectively. But in the third row, as unit vector phi equals to unit vector phi, this having a components 0, 1, 0. Now this metric representation can also represent in terms of unit vectors of cylindrical coordinate system, that is in a column matrix, and it is a rho, a phi, and az, which is shown in left side. And in the right side, 3 by 3 square matrix is multiplied by a column matrix with unit vectors AR, A theta, A phi corresponding to spherical coordinate system. In the square matrix, there is only one difference. Here, rows and columns are interchanged. Now this matrix representation of unit vectors can also be used to find magnitude component. For example, in spherical coordinate system, magnitude components are capital A, R, A theta, and A phi. Here in the right side, there is a square matrix having 3 rows. These rows having a term in the form of dot product. So in the first row, it is AR dot A rho, AR dot A phi, and AR dot AZ. And the values of these dot products in the first row is sin theta, 0, and cos theta respectively. Similarly, A theta dot A rho equals to cos theta, A theta dot A phi equals to 0, and A theta dot AZ equals to minus sin theta in the second row, and A phi dot A rho equals to 0, A phi dot A phi equals to 1, and A phi dot AZ equals to 0. This is also applicable in determining the magnitude component of cylindrical coordinate system, that is capital A rho, A phi, and AZ. Here again, in the square matrix, the values of dot product is same as above square matrix.